In this video, you'll learn how to sell cryptocurrency on Binance using the P2P trading feature. This process will guide you through creating a sell order, communicating with buyers, and safely completing the transaction. To begin, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the trade option in the main menu. Hover over it and from the drop-down, select P2P. This will take you to the P2P trading section where you can see the marketplace for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. After accessing the P2P trading section, look for the sell option on the screen. Clicking on this will allow you to select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Make your selection from the available crypto assets listed. It is crucial to review the available buyers and their terms, including payment methods and prices, to ensure a smooth selling experience. Next, you have the option to either select an existing buyer or create your own sell advertisement. If you choose a buyer, click on their listing and fill in the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell along with your desired selling price. If you are creating an advertisement, enter the same details. Ensure that you confirm the payment method that you are comfortable with. Once all details are filled in, you can lock your cryptocurrency in escrow, which protects both you and the buyer during the transaction. Once your sell order is created or accepted, you will need to communicate with the buyer through the Binance chat. Clear communication is essential at this stage to avoid any misunderstandings. After the buyer has completed the payment, check your payment receipt carefully to confirm that the funds have arrived. Only after verifying the payment should you release the cryptocurrency from escrow to the buyer. This step is critical to ensure that you do not release your crypto without receiving payment. Lastly, make sure to save all transaction records for your reference. It is advisable to avoid any off-platform communication with the buyer to protect your security. In case of any disputes, you can contact Binance support for assistance. Completing these steps will finalize your sale, and you will have successfully sold cryptocurrency on Binance P2P. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.